In this video, you will learn how to connect your Wix website to Google Search Console. Follow these simple steps. First, create a Google Search Console account. Go to the Google Search Console website and sign in using your Google account. If you do not have a Google Search Console yet, click on Start Now and sign up using your credentials. In the Google Search Console dashboard, click on Add Property in the top left corner. After that, choose the URL prefix method. This is the easiest for most users. Enter your Wix website full URL, including HTTPS, and click Continue. Then, Google will ask you to verify your ownership of the Wix website. Choose the HTML tag verification method. Copy the HTML meta tag provided by Google. Log into your Wix account and go to your website editor. In the editor, click on the Settings tab in the bottom of the menu. Then select SEO Google. Under the General SEO settings, paste the HTML meta tag that you copied from the Google Search Console into the header section of your site header. Then click Save to apply the changes. After that, entering your HTML meta tag, go back to Google Search Console, click on Verify to complete the verification process. Once Google has verified your ownership of the site, you will receive a confirmation message. Submit your sitemap. It is optional but recommended. In Google Search Console, click on your website properties. In the left sidebar, click on Sitemap under the Index section. In a new Sitemap section, enter sitemap.xml for Wix website and click Submit. This will help Google crawl and index your website more efficiently. After verification, you can start using Google Search Console to monitor your website performance, check for any indexing issues, see keyword and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.